Question 19. The numbers a half, x, y, and 3/4 are in increasing order of size. The differences between successive numbers in this list are all the same. What is the value of y? So first of all, we're going to find the difference between the first term and the, first term and the fourth term. And that's the difference between these in 3 jumps. So we're going to divide this, the quarter or the fourth, by 3. So we know the jump between each is to add a 12th. So we're going to take 3/4 and we're going to subtract a 12th to get back to y. And then we simplify that. We get to, and therefore the answer is B.